Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mona. Today, I'm going to show you how I made this meal that's sitting on your screen. So let's jump right into it. The first thing I did was mix up a few spices. And right here I'm using paprika, onion powder, salt, and pepper. I'm going to mix all of these seasonings really well, and this will make a nice rub to season my chicken with. Here I have 5 chicken thighs that I'm going to be seasoning thoroughly with the rub that I just created. Once I'm done seasoning the chicken, I'm going to give it a good rub and set it aside so that I can work on my green beans. Oh, and I did include a link in the description box down below for the full recipe. Once I was done seasoning the chicken, I gave my hands a good wash and got started on the green beans. Now the green beans were washed prior to the recording of this video, so all I'm doing now is just clipping the ends. Then I added the green beans to a bowl and added a half a cup of water. And then I placed them in the microwave and let them steam for about 8 to 10 minutes. Next, I set my stove on medium to low heat and I melted about 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter was all melted and the pan was nice and hot, it was time to add my chicken. I let the chicken cook for 5 to 6 minutes before flipping it over and letting it cook for 5 to 6 minutes on the other side as well. Once the chicken was done, I removed it from the pan and set it aside for later. Next, I added some parsley, garlic, butter, hot sauce, and my green beans, and I cooked that for a few minutes. Then I added in some chicken broth and the juice of a half of a lemon in order to create a sort of a sauce, and I sauteed my green beans in that for a few minutes and allowed them to soak up the flavor. I added in a bit of crushed red pepper as well. Once I was done with the green beans, it was time to add my chicken. So I moved the green beans over to one side and I placed my chicken in the pan. Once the chicken was thoroughly reheated, it was time for me to garnish. I used some parsley as well as fresh lemons. Now I would have preferred fresh parsley as well, but the dried kind was all I had on hand. Now this recipe was very easy to make. It was flavorful, healthy, and delicious, and my family really enjoyed it. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thank you all so much. If you've made it to the end, I really appreciate it. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.